What's the meaning of belatedly? Belatedly. Belatedly.
Belatedly. Belatedly. The term belatedly means something that is done or said later than it should have been. It implies that a particular action or event has been delayed for some reason, and it has not been carried out in a timely manner. The word belated is often used to express regret or an apology for failing to take action on time. For instance, if someone sends you a birthday card a week after your birthday, they might begin their message with the words, "Belated happy birthday." Similarly, if a company issues an apology for a defective product, they may use the term belatedly to acknowledge that they should have taken action sooner.